What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny here, back at it again with the S2K. But anyways, what we are gonna be doing today is we're gonna add oil, run the turbo line that goes to the drain, to the oil pan, and then we're also going to add some oil, and then we're also gonna be installing this bad boy, the AEM EMS engine management system. The AEM engine management system. We're gonna be installing that today, and we might even do like a quick possible startup just to make sure that the car is getting the proper fuel that it needs because of the injector. So let's get to it. We're gonna make sure that these bolts fit, because I'm not exactly sure. I tried to match them up, but they're still too really small and they're too long. Jeez. Damn. Okay. Alright, so we ran into our first problem. The bolts don't fit. Well, first of all, they're too long. They're too long and they just slip on through, and I don't have nothing to even catch it on the other side. The holes are threaded on the turbo, so there is something that's gonna catch on and hold it in there, but I'm trying to find him. I went last night to try to match up with the one that I had, but it's just too short, so now these are too long. So in the meantime, I'm gonna add oil and install the management system, and then we'll see what we do from there. Management system, I am the second owner. I got it already used. It has a tune on it. The tune is 725 wheel horsepower. So someone was running 725 wheel horsepower S2K. I don't know what they were doing with it. I asked them, that's what they said. So let's go ahead and plug it in. It's supposed to be plug and play, but like always, we'll see. Alright, it's in. It's right here. It's not mounted up, but it's in. Well, let's see how this goes. So as you guys saw, tried starting the car a couple times. Wait, are we gonna go in Jimmy's car? Oh. Tried starting the car a couple times, didn't start. We changed the battery, didn't start. And then the car does not have gas, but I don't think it's not enough to not start. I got my buddy over here saying he thinks it's out of gas. He thinks that's the reason why, but we're gonna see. I think it's a little more deeper than that. I don't think it's just the gas, but I guess we'll go get some gas and we'll see what's the problem. Alright, you guys, quick summary of what's going on. As you guys saw, car's cranking, but it's not starting. Now I added 5 gallons of fuel, still nothing. At the last one it like cranked and then stopped, and then it didn't want to crank anymore after that. So I blew a fuse, more likely. I have to check what fuse I blew. Guess where that's at? Probably under the passenger, if not driver. Gotta check all the fuses. But I blew a fuse for sure. I know for sure I blew a fuse, because it doesn't want to crank anymore. Probably got too hot. Other than that, I mean, it starts, like accessory mode goes on, it's all perfect, good, but I said it's cranking. So there's either it's not getting fuel. I can hear the fuel pump turn on. The fuel pump's pretty loud. Like when it's quiet, it'll turn on. You can hear it turn on. It could be air. I'm not getting air. But now I'm gonna have to dive deeper and find out what it is. But for now, I stopped. I'm gonna have to do my research, make some calls, you know, whatnot. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sorry we couldn't get the car to start today. I was really hoping we would, just to get it like to crank over, make sure everything's good. But now that we actually cranked over and it's not starting, we actually get to dive into it, instead of like having to actually wait for the day to come and it doesn't even start at all, and then I'm just gonna be frustrated because I don't get to drive it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, whatever you like. Also, don't forget to check out our shop online, links down below. Go ahead, type in Meister at checkout for 10% off your order. Also, I got links down below, Amazon links down below if you'd like to purchase anything. I also got Amazon links down below if you'd like to purchase any products that you've seen in this video or past videos, or products of companies that I support. Links are down below. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.